Hello, I hope you're doing great. In this video, we'll create a web crawler that will go into this website using Chromedp package. It will go through all the links in batches. We'll use wait groups and concurrent programming to process the links in batches, and it will go and get the dividend yield percentage for all these stocks. Now let's start by making main.go file. We'll initialize an error variable and a stocks variable that will hold all the stocks. We'll get the X path of the dividend yield HTML element and we'll paste it in the X path variable. And the top variable will define how many maximum dividend yield stocks we have to show in the final output. We'll call the ticker.search function and pass the X path, and then we'll loop through the stocks and print out the top number of stocks in the console. And now, since we have to use external packages, Chromedp will initialize the project with go-mod-init, and we'll get the Chromedp using go-get command. And I have created a ticker directory, and inside that a search.go file. Here, first we'll define the ticker struct that will hold the data of the result obtained from the websites, and then we'll initialize the search function that will return stocks, an array of ticker, and also an error if there's any. We'll initialize a nodes array, which will store the nodes from the Chromedp, and the wait group that will be used to execute function calls in batches, and the max variable, which will define the maximum number of function calls in a batch. We'll use Chromedp to go into that website and get all the anchor tags inside the list. Now we'll loop through the links in batches, and we'll use wait groups and concurrency. I'll initialize an anonymous function and call the go-get command in batches. The wg.wait will wait until all the function calls in the batch are executed. After getting all the stocks, we'll sort the stocks slice in a descending order of the value, and at the end I'll print out how many stocks we get. These lines are just for debugging purpose. They shouldn't be printed in the final program. So now let's define the get data function that will take the URL and an XPath and return ticker and error. First, we need to check if the URL is correct or not. These conditions are mostly got using trial and error. Now let's run the Chromedp, and we'll prepend the website's link while navigating, and we'll get the inner HTML using the XPath. And as always, we'll print the error and also return if there are any errors. We need to typecast the data into float, so we'll replace the percentage sign, and if the data is simply a dash, that means the value is 0, and we'll just parse the data into float, print the errors if any, and a return on them also. This again is by trial and error to get the name of the stock. So this is the final result. Now let's try to run it. So first it is going into the website that lists all the top stocks in Indian stock market. And now it started the search in the batches of 15. So it got the results. So here you can see that multiple Chrome instances are being run in the background inside the VS Code instance. So once the first batch gets all the results, only then the second batch will start. So this is what batch processing is. Now here's our final results, which gives us the top dividend yield giving stocks. Thanks for watching.